how to use red marker in screenshot or photos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can use red marker in screenshot or photos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So you can use a red marker in case you want to hide something from the screenshot. So let me take a screenshot first and open the screenshot up. So right here, you can see different options. What you can do is choose the marker that you want. There are different options available. Tap on the color icon and then choose the red color. So I'll just choose the red color. And after you choose the red color, if you tap on the marker, you can choose the opacity of your color and how bold you want the marker to be. Then you can start scribbling stuff out like this. And that's basically how you do it. Now you can use this to hide chats or stuff from your chat screenshots, and yeah, you can basically use this marker however you want. And after you're done with the edit, tap on done on the top left and tap on save to photos. And that's basically how you can use the red marker in screenshots or photos. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.